If you want to customize lock screen on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, search for Wallpaper and Style, and then you can just simply tap on the preview, and then one more time, and in here you can customize the wallpaper. I mean, you can slightly adjust it. So for example, we can zoom in, you can also move the wallpaper around. So this is the kind of thing that you can do here in this preview. And of course, tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to apply that change. But once you are here in this menu where we have the preview of the lock screen, we can swipe up from this bottom section to find some additional options. Like for example, we have the clock customization. So in here you can change the style of the clock. In the case of this initial style, we can also adjust the face width. We can also go to color, and you can just pick any color that we have available in here, and you can adjust the brightness of that color. Besides that, we should also be able to go to the size, and you can toggle this large options. If you set it too large, then the clock face is going to be here in the middle of the screen. If you turn it off, then it's going to be placed in the upper left corner. And of course, tap on apply in the upper left corner in the upper right corner to actually save that change. Besides that, we can customize shortcuts, so you can decide what should be attached to the bottom left and bottom right corner over here. You can choose any of these options that we have available on this list. And here we can also manage notifications on the lock screen, so you can decide if lock screen notifications should be available, if you should be able to see them over here. You can also choose the style for these notifications, and also here below we have a couple of additional options that you might want to check out. And here we have more lock screen settings, like for example, we can enable widgets on the lock screen, we can add users from lock screen, and so on and so forth. And there is also the dynamic clock, which we can customize. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.